Welcome to AQ Snooker training video, and today's video is I feel like everybody's question that I'm getting all the time, that is about how to play a screw shot and why we can't make a screw shot. There are certain mistakes that we do, and we are going to learn today that how simple it is to make a screw shot. Instead of putting too much effort, too much power, too much force, too much grip, too much arm, you just need to play a very softly to the white ball, just letting the cue go through the white ball and the white will screw back easily. So let me start this video, but before I start today's video, I would like you guys to subscribe my channel, press the bell button and share it with your colleagues, because this video is maybe helping like hundreds and thousands of players that are struggling with the screw shot. So I'm going to explain in a very simple manner. There is a video in Urdu language on this topic, but I want to make this video in English to help all those players who cannot understand all over the world the language Urdu. But English is of course an international language, so I hope this video will help. So let's start our today's video, and today's video is all about our screw shot and the mistake we do in our screw shot, that is no in snooker. That's why you might be struggling for a screw shot. Let me give you a very simple example, starting with a very simple example, that how hard or how soft you need to hold your cue while hitting this screw shot, okay, while playing a screw shot. So let me explain. So first of all, in this video, I'm going to give you a small demonstration that how soft your cue needs to be gripped in your hand, and how easily we can make a screw shot by just knowing that what we are doing with this cue. Don't let your arm, your elbow or your grip play a screw shot. Just let this cue play this shot, okay? Let me explain what I mean. Okay, now I'm holding my cue in 2 fingers, okay? I'm putting my camera here. I will show you with my other camera as well. And I'm gonna play a simple shot with the simple screw shot, and you will see how my white ball reacts, and you will understand that this will actually explain you that how simple it is to make a good screw to play a good screw shot, okay, without putting any physical effort. Okay, now you can see, just to explain what I mean about not holding your grip tight or not using your elbow or your shoulder into the shot or your body in the shot for a screw shot. I'm going to give you an example, and I'm going to demonstrate playing this shot with just 2 fingers. Okay, now you can see I'm about to hold my cue in 2 fingers. I'll try to show you in camera as well, and you will see that with the little effort I can play a simple shot and my white can screw back easily. Okay, so let's hope you get this on camera. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do first of all do the chalks, put the chalk on your tip, and then I'm holding this cue slightly because the white ball is too close and it's a soft shot. I'm gonna hold my cue from because this is a close shot, and I'm going to hold my grip, my cue from slightly away from the tag, and to balance the cue and to keep my hitting arm aligned. So I'm holding this cue with 2 fingers. I'm going to play this shot, okay, and now you can see it's just 2 fingers I'm using, and let the cue go through, and now you can see how easily a screw shot been played. Okay, I hope you get it. Okay, so I'm going to play this shot again with my 2 fingers, just to explain you guys that there's no need of your muscle or your elbow or your shoulder into the shot. You just need a simple technique that is letting you go through the white ball, and the screw shot will come automatically. So let me show you how to play it very simply. Okay, now watch this. This is my 2 fingers. I'm keeping my fingers top, and this one, there you go, okay, there, And now you can see, where's my, it's only, I'm holding it in 2 fingers, I didn't move them. Yeah. So now I'm going to play the same shot with my full grip, okay, and I would like you guys to realize that how hard or how soft I'm holding my cue to play a screw shot. I'm not going to talk about a power screw shot, that we will discuss in some other video, but not now. And I might give you a few practices in my upcoming videos with a power screw shot. But currently I'm just teaching you how to play a simple screw shot. Time I'm gripping my cue properly, which I have explained in many videos, and make sure your cue is steady, your cue arm is steady, you are putting your chalk every time you're playing a screw shot, okay, and grip it fully. But again, the theory or the technique will be just to keep it as light as possible, not too tight. And of course you don't let it slip off your hand, but keep it firm, but just not to let it slip. That's it, not tighter than that. Okay, so hold it the proper. And if you are having a struggle with your a screw shot, or if any more problem, just raise your bridge and just dig your cue, and that will actually, and let the cue go through. Don't hold or stop your cue, let the cue go through. You can see, okay, let the cue go through and your screw shot will be done automatically, effortlessly. Yes, that's the good name of the shot, that try to learn to play a screw shot effortlessly, because especially when you are playing in a tournament or in a championship or in any tough competition match, if you are not confident or if you are putting efforts in playing a screw shot, trust me, it will go worse when it's when a player is under pressure. So best thing is to just play soft screws, okay, and then try to let cue more and more and more, and that will actually keep enhancing your screw power. Now I'm going to play the same shot from another angle, so that might explain you a bit more for more demonstration. Okay, so you can catch my grip, okay, holding my grip properly, okay, putting my chalk on, do the pre-shot routine, and do your timing correctly, let the cue go through. Okay, that's it. It's a good screw shot, but you can see my cue is very, in a lighter mode. It's not like any twitching or any making a fist of my hand. It's not like that. So this is our today's video. Make sure you practice this shot from every angle of the table, but before practicing, it's very important that you learn how to play a screw shot with your cue, not with your grip, not with your forearm, not with your elbow, or not with your punch. So this is very important that you let your cue play the shot. Okay, so if you have any questions, just message me. My numbers are there, my WhatsApp numbers are there. You can leave it in the comment box. I personally answer every question of my comments, and they might be delayed, but I always reply to comment. So if you want to contact me for your personal coaching, if you want to send me a video of this practice or playing this screw shot, simply you can contact me through my WhatsApp number. You can send me my numbers there. If you want to join my online coaching session, do send me a WhatsApp message. We can arrange a time. Or if you want to invite me to your country, you want to come to my country, my club, bring your team along. I always travel. I always encourage players and people who are enthusiasts and who wants to do something good in their sport. So thank you very much. Please do subscribe my channel and like this video if you have learned anything, and let your friends know about this channel. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.